Hello friends, you're welcome back to the Chima the Educator Video channel. As part of our training guide on YouTube content creation and monetization, in today's video I want to show you the place of titles, thumbnails and tags when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. These three things you see here are very important. I'm going to show you a practical thing on how these things work. Someone might say, what is title? What do you mean by title? And what do you mean of thumbnail? Especially those who are new to stuff like this. Or tag, what we call hashtag. I'm going to show you practically. If you are new to YouTube channel content creation, one of the most important thing, one thing that you should be thinking about is how do I grow my channel? Because until you grow your channel, you won't qualify for monetization. And if you are not yet making money from YouTube, it will be as if all the effort you are putting in creating videos are just like a wasted effort. So you must target on how to grow your channel, and it's very, very important. So I'm going to show you how these three things, matter so much when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. So I'm also going to invite you, if you are watching this video for the first time, our channel, we're having what we call a comprehensive YouTube dollar course. In case you want to join this course, I will encourage you to contact us on our number you see in this video description area, so you can join this course. Very, very cheap. It's not a free course, but it's so affordable, so much affordable. Anytime I announce the price, people are like, oh, why is the fee so this low? But because I want to make sure that everybody's part of this. So everything you need to know right from the conception of what you want to do about YouTube channel creation and content, to creating it, to launching your first YouTube, creating content and monetization, we're going to teach you in this YouTube dollar course. So I encourage you to be part of us. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as what we do here will benefit you so much. Now, let me quickly take you to what we are talking about. Remember, I'm looking at titles, thumbnails, and tags. These are the three basic things you need to know. Now, let me take you to my YouTube channel and show you examples. Now, I'm going to look at all this. Let me just take it one after the other. Look at this. All you are seeing here, this is the video itself, trying to show now. That's not where my interest is. What you are seeing is like the video is already playing, but that's not what you are seeing here. Is not my work. So look at what I'm showing you. This design, or what you are seeing here, this design, or this design, or this design, is what we call thumbnail. Everything you are seeing here, I was the one that did it. Apart from seeing the video playing, now look at this, all this design. The first picture you see as you want to watch this video, this first picture you see is what we call thumbnail. Thumbnail, that's the cover image. I designed this. The truth is that sometimes, if you are new to stuff like this, you may want to go online. If you want to talk about, you prepare videos on money making. So anytime you want to design your cover image, you go online and check for images that have to do with money, you download it. No! Those images you are downloading to make your use as cover images for your videos, someone designed it. If you are going to be a content creator, please, you must learn graphic design. Very important. And also, if you check our channel here, we'll have a playlist on Canva graphics design. We'll teach graphic design on this channel because you need to learn how to do it. Do it with your own. I have over 500, in fact, close to 600 designs on Canva. I've received a lot of certificates. When I had the first 100 or so, they sent me a certificate, 200, 500, and all that. I do design my blog posts, cover images, these thumbnails on my YouTube channels, whether this one or the other ones, I do the designs. And so this is, and now, what's the place of thumbnail? I want to start with thumbnail now. The thumbnail is what is attractive. And when you look at people watching, because we are talking about the place of all these things now when it comes to growing your YouTube channel. Most time for people to watch your video in the first place, anywhere they see it, those who come online on, let's say YouTube to search for information. When they log on YouTube, they're going to see a lot of things. One of the things that attract them to even click on that video in the first place is the thumbnail. The way they design the thumbnail can make people to click. That's what we call click-through rates. Somebody might just see your video, like you've seen all these things here now. You are seeing all of this. You are seeing all of this. You are seeing all of this. Am I right? You are seeing all of this. The same way when somebody logs into YouTube, there's that likeliness of seeing this. Or you post this on the social media, somebody will see this. But one of the things that attracts people to say, okay, let me click on this video is the thumbnail. If your thumbnail is not well designed, they will not even want to click. What is this one? They won't click. So thumbnail must be so designed in a way it should be so attractive. And now it's not all about the color, whatever you are using in that thumbnail. The write-up matters. Most times the write-up may not be the exact thing with the title of your video. I get it. The title of video might be how to use Canva to produce YouTube videos. That may be the title. But in your design, you may simply write boldly Canva to video. But with other images that portrays more, or they portray more what you are talking about. You may not need to be writing that long thing inside the thing. But sometimes there could be need to write. Like you can see some of these cases, 6 ways video lessons improve learning. And that happens to be the exact thing. But it's not every time you do exactly that way. You understand it? Like here now, you can see music to CapCut. Like this one. Meanwhile, the title says how to add music to a CapCut video. But I may not be writing that. I just put music to CapCut. People will understand what that is all about. You understand? So this thumbnail matters. So if you are a YouTube channel content creator, learn how to create, all this. And that's why in our training, it's part of the things we teach. Now, it doesn't stop there. And that thing is your title. That's the 3 things I'm talking about. Title, thumbnail, and tag. We are still going to go to tag. The title is so important. You know why? Look at this now. For instance, look at my thumbnail. I just put a Bitcoin whatever here, and this thing that shows something going up. I didn't write any text, but the title said, Bitcoin could reach 100K soon. Act now. This title might be what somebody might see. Let me read what this person is talking about. So I'm not telling you what to put in your title, but this same thing I put here, by the time you start watching this video, you can see that somebody might decide to use a different title for this. But make sure you use a title that is captivating enough. Look at this title, Classified Tutorials, How to Enter Students' Results, so and so. It's very possible for someone else to use a different title to still tell the same story. Somebody might just start, How to Use Classify. But that's the title. But you always ask yourself, which title will communicate the real deal to people more? And so your choice of title matters so much when you are, preparing your videos before you upload it. All of these things are what we're talking about. Now, I want to open a particular video and now teach much more on tax. Very, very, very important. Now, let me go to this. Let me choose one of these videos. Let me choose one of the videos here. For instance, okay, let me choose this video. Okay, look at this one again. You can see this thumbnail. You can see the title. But let me go to this video and see if it's going to give me what I'm looking for, or something I want to search for, how to put tags. Now,
in this video, which is just over 2 minutes long, I want to show you how to create this 84.
What you're seeing here is ads running on this video as a monetized content. But let me skip it, but that's not my interest. Let me click on edit to show you the place of tagging. Let me click on that, edit. Now it's coming up, please. Why the importance of editing? It is going to help. Please, let me use a different video. I didn't do much work on editing in this video, so it's not going to serve my interest. Let me use a different.
Hello friends, you're welcome.
It's okay, let me use a different video. Let me use this.
Hello friend.
I'm sure I put enough tag in this. Now watch. I click on edit. You'll be able to see, okay, look at this. All of this now, this place is very important, because this is where YouTube helps you to promote your videos. YouTube bot is going to be reading all of this. All of this. All of this. You see it? My title says claim 300 this, whatever, whatever. And I repeated title in that title in my description. It's very, very important. And not only that, look at what I mean by tags, hashtags. Now, people who go online, maybe whether on Google, on any search engine or YouTube, type in free Dutch mining, free Dutch coin, free Dutch earning, free whatever. This is what they likely going to be typing. Oh, how to claim free this, how to claim this. So those things I assume people will be asking for. And then I want my content to be part of the content that will show as such results. When such queries are made on these tags, I need to type those tags. You see, this area of description, a lot of work is done here. Don't think anybody doing this is joking. No. Are you seeing all of this? Are you seeing all of this? Both call to actions are all here. All these things you are seeing being done here are not waste of time. You take your time to do this, especially this tag you are seeing here. Very, very, very important. All these things you are seeing here are very, very important, because this is where YouTube helps you. The YouTube bot goes around and says, okay, once people go online saying, oh, I'm looking for, I want to know how can I get free crypto token. Because it's part of your tag, the tendency of YouTube bot recommending this video to such persons will be there. And you need some recommendations. You understand that? So this is what we'll talk about. So when you look at thumbnail, titles, and tag, they are very, very important when it comes to promoting your channel. Because these are the things that will make people, like I said, thumbnail will bring about views. Somebody at least will click on that. Okay, let me watch this thing. Oh, it's so attractive, a thumbnail. The cover image is so attractive. So you want to click, and the view is already there. The title also, is if it's attractive, can bring views also. And now, all these tags too, you know, when you fill this description area, it also helps people to retention to your video. Because people always want to read the description area. Apart from the fact you have shared the video, let's read more. They want to read more about this. And that's when they will see you saying, please subscribe. And other information about that particular video. Comprehensive information. Why they are reading on your video. And that's part of retention. If you're a monetized channel, that retention alone, you may not have so many views. You may have only 10 views. But if you have 10 views, or people that spend 5 minutes on your video, it's much more than someone that have 20 views, but people spend only 30 seconds on that video. I don't know whether you get the gist. So whatever that keeps your people, your audience, your visitors to remain on your channel, it helps you so much. It's very important. Sometimes you can even, in this particular description, see share related videos. So while they're looking at, okay, let's click on this, they want to watch more. And they are being retained on your channel. These are the things